Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play some Bee Swarm Simulator. Okay. So it's been a while since I've played Bee Swarm, so I'm a little excited for this. And I've also done some off-camera work. I've gotten a lot better at this freaking game. We're gonna have to turn no music. Okay, so these are my bees. Yay. I got some gifted too. I got a gifted ninja bee, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I do. Look at that. The gifted ninja bee I feel looks cool. This music bee took me forever to get. And the lion bee. Okay. Honestly, I don't know what we should do. Should we do... We're not doing tunnel, but I was about to say that. But no, we're not. I guess we can do some grinding. We're going up here. And I got some ambulance now, which is cool. I got the goggles, I got the belt, I got the shoes. We're all good to go, except for this gate. This is the only gate I need to unlock. And then like maybe a couple more. Science bear. Science rules. Science rules. This thing fills fast because of what's on the other bees. This thing fills fast. I guess I gotta speed this. There's our frog. You ready? Trust me, I will try to get some more. Like a different backpack. Bro, actually, hold on. That's the head. That's no, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. Okay, looks like we're going. Peace out. Wait, where am I going? Yeah, we're going. Where did I get the fire one again? Oh, heck, come on, dude, man. We ain't going all the way over there. Well, we already have like 1 million honey, so we're good for now. Oh yeah, I forgot the bubble wand. Oh, I have enough for this? I can craft. I can't craft. I could craft it if I have 5 royal jellies and 15 moochons. Or 5 million honey. But how much is for this one? This is 1 million honey and 50 blueberry, 1 royal jelly, and 3 moochons. Sure. I have it now. Cool. Okay, so we got something new. Which is cool. I'm trying to get that like little voice thing for Stickbug so I can get his amulet. Yes, we can do this for the final showdown. He just got like annihilated from this coconut dude and me. Science rules! Now let's see. We just need to defeat one more spider. And like... We need like defeat 3 more ladybugs. Oh, he's already dead. It's such low level that he died immediately. Oh, it's a sprout. Yes. 50,000, this should be good. This should be easy. All my bees work, this should be easy. If that coconut guy joins us, we'll work together. That is the one place I don't have 2. That's 35! No! There's so many gates to explore. At least I have that ant pass though. Oh, and we get a buff too from that cloud. Oh, so the wind bee is there. The windy bee. I don't remember the name, sorry. Yes! Yes! We got this need for speed, and it's regrowing. And we got that gifted thing. And we got that seed, and we... This is why I like sprouts, just give you stuff. That's what they give you. I could have used those pineapples earlier, but it's too late. I already got the stuff I need. And I guess that's all. Should we go summon a honey storm real quick? Wait, I forgot where to summon the honey storm. Oh yeah, it's up here. We're going. Oh, we can also summon a sprout. Yeah. Yes, red Obidos. Defeat them both. Defeat them both. Where are my bees? I was so confused of like where my bees were. Okay, so we're going to summon a honey storm. I'm gonna have to. Wait, I can't do it here. There's only one place I can do it in, and that's with Panda, because Panda doesn't like good jokes, and this would be a bad joke without Panda. So, oh, we even got the Panda boost. Okay, then we're going to Panda. Okay, so we're with Panda, now we can do it. That's a head. That's a light. That's a headlight. I had to do it. I'm sorry. Should we do it? Because I've done it before, but I don't really want to do it. Yes! Let's go! Yes! Let's go! We just need to defeat one more spider, and we need to defeat 2 more ladybugs. And then we get our silver egg from Pandy Bear. Should we go defeat the werewolf real quick? Yeah, sure. If I get a star treat, I would say Photon would be the most that collects pollen because of his boost of like the laser boost, because when you get that you're literally like unstoppable with pollen. Get them bees! Bees! You aren't helping me at all. Did the bees do it? Okay, good. And we got royal jelly. That's good. Let's go! And we're getting such good stuff. And we got the cool, what? And then we got these. We got the cold bee, the photon bee, the bear bee. Which I'm happy about. What do we have to defeat it? So this is for defensive appetites. We can do the scorpions. Oh no, that's it. Did we get that again? Did we get this again? We got the same thing like again. Oh. I'm like, oh, where's Cactus? That's Cactus. Let's hope we get a boost for Cactus Field, because that's one of our quests for our polar bear. And it's very late, so I'm just gonna try to make this video quick, because I am tired, very tired. I'm doing it anyway. We only like need one. Like, how many honey is it for that? Like one ticket. It's that much honey for one ticket. We're doing it. We did it until we couldn't afford it. Now we're gonna get our boost. How much tickets do we have now? We have 18. Good. Okay. Ah! That was sunflower field. Darn it. It wasn't cactus. That's a head. That's a lie. That's a head lie. Do we get the... Where is that ace badge? I'm gonna get that ace badge. Oh, I could have gotten that. I'm such a dummy. Hold on, wait. That isn't what I wanted. There's something I wanted, but I already forgot. Oh yeah, Daily Royal Jelly. Forgot to claim it. That's the head. That's why? Why are we getting this so much? Like why? We could have used it. Oh, we're already getting it. So we are almost going to be able to fight our... Oh, let's go check our time. Because 2 minutes left. Whoa, we have to wait a long time for the next fighter. Okay. Oh yeah. Boom. You get that fast boost. We got another fast boost. And that's all the fast boost. Then we gotta go. Quick. The boost. Got the very fast boost. It's yellow speed. Like, look how fast we are now. Like, look. We're literally shaking. Where were we going to go? I could spawn that sprout, but it ain't nighttime yet because that's a night sprout. Whoa. Which one? That's so. What about this? This took me a while to get, by the way. This is what? Capacity. Oh, 450 capacity plus 150 convert rate plus 10 instant red conversion plus 5% red pollen and plus 1 red bee attack. This mask, I want that mask so bad, but I have to get 500 strawberries, 50 red extract. I don't know what that 25 of what is. And then we gotta get 15 glue. Oh! This is gonna take forever. I just dropped it again. Why do I keep dropping stuff? Why? I ain't letting this drop anymore. This is expensive. Oh my. No. Get close. Good. Okay, good. We good? Okay, yeah, we good. Okay. Teleport. How many sprout? 10 seconds. Well, one sprout. Science there. Science rules. I will get this B2. I will also get Stinger B. Rage B. What was his name? I already forgot. I used to know, but I forgot. The little boy collected it. There's Crimson Festive Gummy. Should we go visit the gummy bear? Vicious Bee. We'll go visit the wait. I have a problem. I don't have any tickets. And I don't have any royal jelly. Oh, wait, that ain't royal jelly. Okay, well, I got another gifted from royal jelly. Oh my, wait, we can do this. We get more royal jelly. Yes, help us out, Photon. Photon needs help. Yeah, we're starting to get our boost now. The boost is what makes this game good. Good. Ooh, our speed boost is almost out. Thank you, little boy, for taking that boost. And got it. Oh, yep. This is actually, I never know how good it like how good I've gotten at this game. I've gotten pretty good at it. But the only thing I don't like is grinding. It took me forever to get this scythe too. It just took me forever. And yay! Royal jelly. A royal jelly. We're just getting some royal jelly, royal jelly, royal jelly, royal jelly, royal jelly, some sunflower seeds. Royal jelly is the best thing in my opinion. The reward all done. How much did we at least get? 15, that's good enough for a shiny and gifted. Like, we got these, like, from a gifted. We got this. This is what we were lucky for that. We were actually lucky. Almost. Well, you level up. Why do you want this? The Rage B likes these. What Rage B? The treats are running low on. Let's go to the dispenser of treats. We're going to this dispenser of treats because I'm running low on some. Look at this trail of breathing. We are just... This is all I can get. I am feeling heartbroken. Like, we are just getting a lot of treats. That's all we get. A lot of treats. That ain't even that much, I just realized. Okay, oh, we have 36 gumdrops. I guess this will work for Gummy Bee. Gummy Bee, here I come for the gummies. Come on, Gummy Bee! Gummy Bee, Gummy Bee, Gummy Bee, Gummy Bee, Gummy Bee, Gummy Bee, Gummy Bee. If we just jump on this, and boom! And we get a ticket as well, and didn't know that. And we jump on the ant, and we jump on him. That's how. I forgot. Okay, so we're gonna just like I can't get it directly. Like, how do I get this? Like, directly on his wing? Like, it hit him. It's doing its job. Like, we gotta get it. Get us to the gummy gate. Do we have to have the Gummy Bee? There's a Star Jelly in Gummy Bee's head, too. Like, that's what I want. Star Jelly. No, the micro converter. Oh, that's fine. That guy went to a wall. Why are the bees slow? I feel like they should make an update to make these bees fast. Okay, Rage Bee, you're leaving us. You've been really good for us, but you're gonna have to go. Oh gosh, a Fire Bee? Do we have any on the team? Oh yeah, we do. So you're gonna have to go. Gonna have to go. Gonna have to go. Gonna have to go. Oh my! We got 2 music bees. Yeah, let's go. We have 3 gifts. We need like 2 more. Should we risk one of these music bees? What do music bees like? I don't know. Okay, hold on. We're going to the treat dispenser. Brown Bear, I hate you. Brown Bear, I really do hate you. The gifted demo bee is actually cool. I'm never doing a mother bee's quest. Like, not even one. Just for 10. That's good, I guess. That's only for 10. Oh, we have a sprout. Who's 10? did not know we literally had 10. I mean, what? I straight up did not know we literally had like 10 magic beans. Like, that's the thing about this game, you forget stuff easy. And that's the wrong thing. How did we get this? Even these cards. Those are Pokemon cards for another video. But, okay. So, how did we even know we had so much beans? We're just gonna go cook these beans and cook them on the field. Come on. Bean. We're using the bean. So we need to get everything we can get. Gumdrops, everything. Gumdrops. Blood. Use everything. Oh jeez, we're getting past this easily. This is gonna be a little easy. Like one of the most easiest challenges we've done really. It's so easy. And more. Like that's what we're doing. We're basically doing this for a reason. Yes. Yes. We're getting good. Getting good. Hold on. Okay, we got that. We got that. Of course we got that. The royal jelly is what I'm after, really. That's why I did the sprout. And I think after we get like one more royal jelly, we'll be good. Okay, fine. After we get all these. Okay, good. Now, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time I make a new video. And click that like button. And comment if you want to see more of Bee Swarm Simulator. See you later!